So where we are discussing about our DBT data build tool. We have core and cloud. So let's open Snowflake account and see open SQL file.
But this is second session of DBT or how is it?
Start session.
Third one.
Okay, and choose yes, background data and okay. So we have done it. We have created transformation bank. This transformation transformation bank reporting, generating bank data reports. Okay, transformations, bank reporting, generation, bank data reports. We are discussing. Okay. So anybody can tell why DBT. We have Snowflake, right? We can do the transformation within the Snowflake. Then why DBT? Anybody? Anybody?
This one kind of ETL tool, right? It's a ELT tool to extract, load, and transform, right?
Yeah, we have right. We can do the in Snowflake within the transformations. This many times they will ask this question.
This is a mediator kind of in between source and target kind of thing. No, Madhu?
Yeah. Record code are stored. This is the record code. We need to have authentication application. Continue. Copy. Again, paste in the snow site. Then, okay, move to. So, okay, this is the DBT. Continue. Then click on left side. You can see studio. So read these things. Read everyone. Skip notes if on run start fails, start modified compare mode, unrendered values. Required Y YAML file configuration for MF times spines. Require batch execution for custom micro batch strategy. Require nested cumulative type forms. Valid macro argues. Require all warnings handled by one error. No. So we have Snowflake why DBT means in DBT we have okay, lineage graph. Okay, and modularity. CI/CD pipeline. Okay. So lineage, suppose if you have the A table, sorry, transaction table in Snowflake, we are writing on that transaction table model. Okay, and credit table. Then we have debit and debit table, and we have credit card. Okay, and debit card, and here we have credit card, debit card, and we have instance table, and we have loan table. So instance, take loan table. Okay, this one is table. So this one, credit card table. Here, what I'm doing. So these L, C, L, then
Can you be on mute? Huh?
and the debit card, and again credit card, again a debit card. Okay, I have these tables. Okay,
Hold on 1 minute, if you don't mind. Arun, can you be on?
Arun, please unmute. Mute.
Sorry, I didn't notice.
It's okay, no need to say sorry, it's okay. So here writing, we are so we have these tables. Okay, now I'm writing P join L TL table. Okay. And then I'm joining C join and D. I'm writing CD table. Okay, like we can say CD table model table in Snowflake. Okay, model view in Snowflake, like that. And I'm joining CC join DC and CC DC. Okay, so model I'm creating, and it's a table relation of okay, give like C credit card and debit card and give the table. Okay, so view in Snowflake. Okay. And now, so these I'm joining. Okay, and in the those going to create models in the DBT and table view in the Snowflake. And now see, again I'm going to join TL. I'm joining TL join CD. What joined Abhilash, Arun, Padma, Puneet, Raghu, Vamshi, Venkatesh, Chintala. Okay. So Jan, so now TL CD model. Okay. we install. And again here I'm chaining CC join DC. Or this was CC. Okay, DC. This we can call like CC CD model in DBT and weave in Snowflake. And then finally I'm joining here. So TLCD, okay, join CCDD, join CC DC debit card. Okay, this model in DBT and table in Snowflake. We are creating table in this. Okay. So these now see. Okay. Now suppose someone ask about this model and we can give TLCD and CCDC. Okay. Now where it comes from? Someone going to okay. Where it comes from? How can we know where it comes from? Okay. Where it comes from? So we're going to see lineage graph. Okay. Where it comes from. Lineage. Wait for a few seconds. So how can we know? There are many users, right? Developer, ETL, DBT developer, Snowflake developer, ETL developer, Power BI. Power BI not, they won't get involved because of they get data from the Snowflake, right? Um, Loading. Okay. Open. These are the source tables, transactions, loan, credit, debit, credit card, and debit card. Okay. So here we have the TL model with these columns. Okay. CD model table, this weave and TLCD. Okay. And here also we have CCDC, and finally we have the table TLCD, Okay. So with the columns transaction ID, loan amount, credit card, and credit amount, debit ID, debit account, credit limit, debit limit, CACD, CC account. This is credit card ID. This is credit card account, debit card ID, debit card account, and amount, transaction date, and transaction type, customer ID. So DBT table in Snowflake. Okay, it creates the after running the DBT command. Okay, so now the lineage summary, final model, TL, CD, CCTC, DBT table. So comes from transaction T, loan, credit, debit, credit card, debit card. Okay. how many are models? How many tables are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, but it given only 6, but right, you can see in this here. So totally, okay, these 6 tables. Okay, we created models in the DBT. Then after 6 plus here, so we create right this TL, okay, and the okay, TL, CD, DC. Then again we have 3, 6 plus 3, TL, CD, CC. Again we have 3 models. Again 3, right? TL, CD, and CC, DC. Again TL, CC. Again we have 2 models. Okay. But how many there? These are TLCD plus CCDC. Totally 6, 3, 9, 11. Okay. So 11. So it comes from 11 models, and it create modeling DBT, and DBT creates table in Snowflake. Table in Snowflake. Okay. So now this is clear, right? So now it's showing only 6. Okay, it's correct, but we also have insights. Okay. So legend, source tables, base tables, Snowflake models, table service, DBT models, weave table, source to model, lineage flow, and model to model lineage, and lineage flow step by step. T plus L T model, T plus C CD, C plus D, CC plus DC. Finally, TLCD plus CCDC, TLCD, CCDL model, DBT table. Okay, so where TLCD, CCDC comes from? It is a DBT table which is built by joining TLCD model Snowflake Weave from TL plus CD, CCDC model Snowflake Weave from CC plus DC. So which ultimately comes from all source table, all 6 source tables, but we have models. So these are 6 tables plus, to say, tables. Okay, and we have 3 models and 2 models. Okay, totally 6 tables plus 5 models. 6 tables plus 5 models. It comes. Okay. So see, this is how the leading. Okay. Now, if anybody or somebody asking about where it this TLCD CCDC comes from, we can tell this comes from 6 tables and 3 models and 2 models. Okay. Totally 11 models and 6 tables plus 5 models. We can say like this. Okay. So this is how we can say answer the interview. This is lineage graph. Okay, and it's not given lineage graph. Okay.
Lineage is nothing but like it is giving you overview, huh, Madhu?
Yeah. Who? Come again?
Lineage means it is giving the overview of the source tables.
Where that model comes from? You can find out.
Okay.
It's suppose there is kid. Where the kid comes? Who is father, mother, who is grandfather and grandmother, and who is the greatest grandfather and grandmother, like that. Okay. So now we move to DBT. So here you can say initialize DBT project. Click on this one. So now we can say these are the folders we have. Okay, DBT cloud. So and analysis, macros, models, seeds, snapshot, test. Okay, uh, git, git ignore. Okay, git ignore and DBT project YML file readme.md. Okay, click on this DBT project YML file. So this is the